the dirt away. So the posts are being done. So now we're just waiting for Adam and Lindsay to come in and do the digger. Sorry, I can't talk too loud, but anyway. This little boom. Eventually all this will come up and say goodbye. The good part about this is that you can see just underneath the brickwork there, it's on a separate slab, so it makes it easier, and I won't pull it away, it won't crack. Usually they crack around here and come away from the house, but same there with that corner. Usually it comes away from the corner there if they were on the same slab, but brickwork's good. So Adam will come in and lift up all the concrete, then they'll get ready to pour. Same there too as well, down to the fence. Sorry I couldn't do the concrete cutter because brick, that was loud noise, but he's just turning all the concrete off the windows, make sure the windows are nice and clean. They do that. They're pretty good guys. We've got the best. When they've been in business for 43 years, it helps. As you can see, we've got all our stuff in the garage to one side. Once most, like the garden chair will go back out, the dog kennel will go back out once the concrete's poured. Barbecue will go back out. I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put them all. So Adam's coming back Tuesday to do the lifting of the concrete, so we'll see him there about 7 o'clock, and that'll be that job done, and then they come in and they pour the concrete. But from here you can see how it has gone on such an angle downhill towards the fence. Now really when you look at it, it hasn't pushed the fence over because the fence come out of the stirrups, but I think underneath the underneath part of the concrete might have pushed it forward a bit. So that's a closer look at it. As you can see, it's really going towards the fence line and pushing down. And we've got the Leaning Tower fence in Australia. Somebody's looking up after us. So once we get all that sorted out, I've got the green to go in the garden. So I'll do that. I'll cut that up and put it in the garden slowly. Yeah, we'll be back for more Later, guys. Bye for now. And the room mobile for most everybody. Scott expat in the Philippines. Adam's here with Lindsay and his helper. Lindsay's that guy. Adam's this guy. Getting ready to unload and getting ready to do some work on our concrete at the back.
Gonna go in, mate? Perfect. Yeah, just to check. The threads are different on none of them. No, exactly the same. That's on the front.
I love watching these things come down. Meow. And she's digging up or removing the concrete bits that have been cut so we can put it on the blue digger. It's just moving that out the way.
Okay, so now we get a lot more mobs. Let's get some chickens too, okay? One seed and how many chickens? Guys, there are literally 0 points in this village. There's that villager. This villager, do you have any trades? Oh, he does. 1 iron ingot, and then we get 8 carrots. That makes sense. Hold on, extra stuff real quick. I'm just gonna buy some of this cobblestone. Don't worry, guys, I'm just buying it. And so what we can do is we'll be very careful where we'll just do 1 iron, 1 coal. I can't get XP in a boring way. So this is the boring way. 1 iron ingot, there we go. Oh my gosh, okay. Guys, we're 1/3 of 1 level. 1 iron ingot, 8 carrots.
So easy with modern technology these days.
Alright, guys, come on.
Adam's over there.
Oh, we got sheep. Look at the chicken. So on we go. Oh my gosh, there's so many moths this way. Okay, that's almost here. Let's start pushing them in. Okay, you get in. That's another one in. There we go. That's another one in. Okay, last one. And not enough yet.
Doesn't look like she wants to sit.
Here, I'm gonna go ahead and put creative way of getting XP. Alright, now it's official. Now let's get some pigs. Alright guys, straight this way. We got 8 carrots for all of you. Alright, well over pigs. And now we just gotta get these guys inside too. You get inside. Let's get this guy inside too. That is a lot of mobs.
As you can see, Snowy's running around. Little blue ass fly.
Straight this way, guys. Okay, that's 2 of them. Make that 3. We're almost there, guys. Wait, I think it's working. Chickens? Yes, it's working. Okay, so now every time I put in a mob, they die. But are they dropping XP? Guys, it didn't work. All I got was meat. But they don't drop top XP. Time for plan B. I think what we gotta do is we're gonna punch these guys a little bit. Let me just put you guys all over the place. And the last thing we need for one level is gonna be sand. Luckily, we got sand right here. Alright, let me grab that real quick. And now without further ado, let's see if this works. And so I'm gonna place it there, and I'm gonna place it out there. And just in case, because I don't want them to get out, I'm gonna make a barrier that way nothing can get out. Now this should be foolproof, guys. Alright, final step, guys. Here we go. Go on sand. Get them all. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Push the side so Adam can
Put some signs down here, so technically there should be XP, right? Yes! And I
move it.
nice. Now for step 2, sneak into the houses for XP. Okay, with that being done, let's get to those houses. So look up, Jay. I'm almost about time. That being said, now we're sneaking into these houses.
So easy when you've got the modern conveniences to do things. They're lining where the concrete's going. We had to cut the little pipe off the bottom of the spouting there, so it can be level. CJ watching his YouTube channel. Safer for me to be inside, I think. Was on the other way. Construction zone. Snowy's so hurried. Yep, it's getting all done now. And should look good once it's finished. Got those nice stepping on Snowy's bowl. They put the tape around, I think that's to support the with it, to stop a concrete going around or not. I don't know. Also, they're using the jackhammer at the other end where I was filming the other side. The jackhammer to remove the cement away from the wall, make it easier to move the cement out the way. See, Snowy's one